killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share it. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share it. Whatever you sow, you share it.
Check it out for yourself.
What? That's why I love you, baby. You are too much.
My cut. I gotta bounce.
You know, say I know they talk anyhow. That's how I talk out. That's how I did do am. Hey. I know they just talk anyhow. Anything when I talk, not so you did.
My guy.
Spiritual.
See you, man.
Listen, I think it's the best for you to stay and then leave tomorrow for security. You need to watch your back. You know what you have is spirit. Money is spirit, and spirit is money. So, where are you going to?
Make I watch African magic for down first, take reason some things, you know?
You won't watch African magic.
I won't watch African magic.
Go and watch African magic.
But guys, special.
Money is spirit. Spirit is money. Mama, there's this land I want to buy. Yeah. I want you to go check it out yourself. Use your connection to go and know what's up about this land. To know if that land is genuine. Again, another thing, Mama, I won't make you travel. I won't send you go Dubai. Yes, make you just go relax. Why they travel and make you go relax for Dubai? This 10,000 where they here. It's not $10,000. Not for you. Make use of all of them. All you need to do, get to Dubai, lodge in the hotel. If you like, let them massage you from morning till night, no problem. But once you're ready, I book your ticket. Your ticket money is not here. Just go and relax yourself and enjoy yourself. You've suffered for me. You have done a lot for me, Mama.
You have changed them. Auto rice, sir.
Mama, this your rice is sweet, Sha, but I'm telling you the truth.
You were never like this before. Before you will make money, then you will stay away until you're done with the money. You were not yet. I mean, who gave you this wisdom?
Mama, na street, though. Spiritual. Na streets, Mama. So make you no bother yourself. Everything on point. You get? No say this money where would they see? Na spirit, Bimbi. Mama, enjoy yourself.
You know what? This money, I could take only this one. You keep the rest. Make you no be say my pikin bring money and no collect. I don't touch her. Keep the rest.
Mama, the overflow. No dey mercy for me, Mama. The money is too much. You don't know.
Now you they tell me.
I'm telling you. Mama, see, let me tell you. You know, say you na correct mama I be. You see all the assets where you get around. Mama, as I did now, if I pack all of them, put inside carton, I will just they overflow now.
You match my assets.
Mama, you not gonna understand.
You dey craze. You dey craze. My own dey grand. Your own, you still dey build them for mind. See, chop this rice and enjoy it.
Mama, but this rice sweet oh.
You know the rice where you dey chop? They call them. Diva rice.
Diva rice.
Chop am.
Sweet rice.
Sweet rice.
Sweet mama.
Chop am, enjoy am.
Sweet mama. Hey, sweet mama. Sweet mama. If I no chop, my mama no go chop.
Diva rice.
If I no chop, my mother no go chop. If I do,
You go carry rice.
you go carry rice. Come give me.
This person picking just fine anyhow. Consent. God, Gina. But you too fine. Don't make sense.
Asaba girl, where are you making up to go this night?
Asaba man. See as you fine.
Thank you.
Come with package shirt. Very tall and handsome.
Thank you,
Where you know say you dey go?
I know this your tics call knows election is around the corner. And then we've been having secret meetings, yeah? So can you do me a favor and give me the car keys?
Secret meetings?
Yeah.
Since when did you start attending secret meetings?
I don't understand.
You see, if I call you a wizard now, you will say that Gina is very, very disrespectful. But answer me, is it not wizards that attend secret meetings at night? Are you a wizard?
As you can see, I'm dressed up for the meeting. And as a matter of fact, I'll make money from it. So can you do me a favor and give me the car keys?
Well, sorry to bust your bubble. I'm hanging out with the girls tonight. And I'm going to be cruising in this my car that I bought.
I know that you know that every responsible women are in their matrimonial home taking care of their houses.
I know that you know that every responsible, spirit-filled man is on their matrimonial bed, pampering and taking care of their beautiful wives that they provide for, not gallivanting at night like a wizard. So because of ordinary 40,000 naira, so that they managed to pay you, you're now going to bring this package shirt and you have not worn for 5 years.
Please.
You ironed it. You wore it, standing before me looking like a tall glass of fine chocolate. And you be like, who gets sense before? But you don't get. The money goes soon finish. You have already booked Bisola Abiola Jumoke to go and hang out in the club with you. You think I don't know? You see this eye? You see this eye? You go open.
Okay, whatever. But please, Honorable is taking us out tonight for a meeting. So I need the car keys, please.
My guy. You know, since the truth don't come outside. I don't think it's an flex you won't go. Now you don't talk truth. That's just fine set.
G, please give me the car keys.
Give me the car key, please. Which car key? I beg, give me. See this man, so on top of my motor. Nah, you say you don't want to go where you want to go. You don't want to go where you
You don't want to give me this car.
Carry the key.
Okay.
Carry me.
I got 2 cans for your eyes.
You come.
Okay.
Carry me and carry the key, my guy. Not be who chop the carry person. You are not carrying.
Why you a devil in my
I
life?
said you will not
I want
carry.
you to go and make money
So
now.
you
What
don't
is
know
your
how to
problem?
beg. You don't know. Carry me and carry the key.
I'll throw you away.
You don't know how
I'll throw
to
you away.
beg at the game, man.
You know, it's midnight. Come to bed.
Yeah, I know. Sorry. Can I just tidy up this, please? I'm almost done.
You're supposed to be sleeping by now.
I know. I'm almost done. Just a few pages. I'll be with you soon.
How soon?
Very
Is
soon.
it going to be in a minute?
Very soon. A couple of minutes.
You sure?
Yeah, sure.
Because I'll be waiting.
I'm coming.
Yeah?
I'm coming, please. Okay? Please?
Okay.
Alright.
I'll be waiting.
Okay. I'm coming, okay?
See you in a minute.
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'm waiting.
David, it's been 3 hours. 3 hours of no show. What are you still doing here?
Sorry, the first year, the new school, the first year students, I'm trying to work on their course outline.
The first year students are asleep. You should be in bed with your wife.
Is their course outline? I'm almost done. I'm almost done, please. I'm almost done.
You said that the last time.
Yeah, but sorry. I had to do this, It's a new school. It's course outline, yes. Yeah, look at it. I'm sorry.
So you're coming?
Yeah, sure.
You're coming to bed?
Yeah,
In a minute?
a couple of minutes I'll be with you.
A couple?
Yeah, I'm almost done. Please, I'm coming. Please. Please.
Don't keep me waiting.
Sorry, I won't keep you waiting. I promise.
You promise?
Yeah, I promise. Come on. I won't. I promise. I won't.
Daddy, it's 8 a.m. and you're still sleeping.
Oh, hey, Jesus. God. Oh, Lord, babe. Babe.
Stay away from me. I don't need the help from you.
What did you just say?
You heard me. I said leave me alone. I have no hug for you. Go get a hug from your students. How about that?
Okay, I want to see you upstairs now.
Oh, is that a command?
Hey, babe, your bag is in the car already. Okay, so you have to get to the car now. Oh, I want to talk to mommy alone. Okay? Why will you shout at me in front of our daughter?
Why wouldn't I shout at you, David? When you obviously prefer your students to your Princess Diana.
But you know it's not true.
It is true. David, what is the matter with you? You come home exhausted lately. 3 months gone and you haven't touched me, your wife. Have I complained? No. And then last night you said you would join me in the bedroom. You sat here for hours. You didn't come upstairs till I slept off. And then this morning you want to get a hug? You want me to be all smiles? I am a beautiful young woman. I deserve to be cuddled by my husband. I deserve to have my husband make love to me. But oh no, you rather prefer your students. You neglect me, Dr. Robert David.
You baffle me. I lecture in 3 different schools and you know I need to meet up.
At the expense of your wife, you mean?
What do you want to achieve with this? I am doing my best here.
By starving me of sex?
It's not all about sex.
Oh yes, David.
I have blood running through my veins.
I'm a human being.
Jesus. Can you just listen to yourself? Jesus. Oh. Please. Yeah. Don't do anything stupid. Don't try it.
Wow, Dr. Davids. Don't dare me. Don't.
I didn't hear that.
By the way, your daughter is late for school.
Sex. Every time. Sex. Sex. God.
My husband thinks we're sleeping with each other just because I'm always with you.
When a rich man is broke, my dear, you know it's you at all. You must find a way to stabilize your family. Very important. Now I ask you, this Mbamba we're there now, what are you gonna do with it? If you get GMA, your own share of the money. Because me, I don't buy land though. I still got to buy some properties. You got to go? You got to. So, but for your own, what are you gonna do with it? Because any moment from now, I'm gonna walk out from this country. But I fuck up. I want to stop other kind of business. You got to go?
Oh, your game, now me won't play. Hold on.
So your mind there, man.
Yeah, you know, day before.
Now why they use you for work? Where?
Go general markets. Actually, I've paid for a shop. I want to start selling human hairs, makeups, or more anything where I fit sell at all. Probably have a salon on the side. But guy, my husband is annoying.
Well, it's something both of you have to sit down together, to work it out. But you really need to help him out. No matter how little you can support him, you do that. That guy tried for you. He took care of your family. He did a whole lot for you. So, Oluwa,
Am I not trying for him? No be supporter, they support him since. No be input me for all this hustle. Why they hustle like this?
it's good now.
I beg you.
I said they bring the money and let's say in they do the other one well.
I mean, whether you want play game, man, not the one why they here. Last card.
It takes you from the back.
I will win you for this game. Look at this now. See, this is how your belly will be if you don't stop drinking and smoking. Exactly like this. I will hear of that one. Because you don't used to hear word.
Stop showing me that. Show me bum bum.
I should show you bum bum.
Show me big bum bum.
Bum 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 you there.
Oh, this is beautiful. That is what I want to see. Show me bum bum that is as big as your own.
Go and sit down.
This is for you.
I beg no they play expensive play with me. What's the money for? Oga.
Appreciation money. Just I'm giving you this to appreciate what you did for me. You are just like a sister that I've never had. For believing in me, and then you took risk for me. So I'm giving you this. Say thank you.
Gege. This is my guy. My guy on the day emotional. As partner in crime or as what?
You not correct, babe, now. Spiritual.
Oh.
Money is spirit.
Hey, correct guy, man. Kai. Wow, this is quite impressive. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
But no, they smoke pour me now. No get problem.
It's alright.
Why you like fight past quarrel?
No problem. You know my person now. Spiritual. You know?
One day you go light this thing, your front teeth no go there to go now. They smoke here. But thanks for the money, buddy.
It's alright.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
You know you're a good girl. You're doing well.
Yeah, correct guy. Correct guy. Which color you want this night? Make I arrange for you. Correct guy.
Big bum bum.
Bum you there. Big bum. Hey God. Hey God. When you created him, how many bones did you use? Because it looks like there's no single bone in his body. It's only bum. Hi.
Be careful, mind yourself in this world. Be careful, because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share. Your choice and action matter so much in your life. Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I believe in me, you check it the way of my greediness in the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share. Why can't you build yourself? What are you looking for outside you? Why can't you control your emotion? Cause you were born with the seed of success and happiness inside you. Why can't you build yourself up? Appreciate is your fable. Anything you cause yourself, you must answer the query by yourself. By yourself. Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I believe in me, you check it the way of my greediness is the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a book. Because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share.
Hey, you. Where are you going to?
Home?
I thought we were supposed to spend the night together.
Don't be silly. I have to go home. I'm still married.
Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Cut off that stuff, Cut it off. See, I love you so much. I'm going to take care of you. I'm going to take good care of you.
Yeah, you said that before, Kelly.
Yeah.
Now I have to go home. My husband and my...
I know.
I really have to go. I think that's enough for today. Ow! Yes.
See your head like waiting trailer climb. Eh? Anyway, I called you people here to ask for my rent. I've been to your house a couple of times and the door is always locked. Yet you people live inside there. The rent is due. I need my money. Please.
Landlady, I understand that the rent is due. But you see, I've been making some efforts back and forth to make sure I pay. But all my arrangements are not working as planned. But you know what? Before the end of this week, I will pay you up your rent. That's what I actually worked on.
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about and I don't understand. All I've heard here is back and forth, back and forth. What's the meaning of that? Back and forth that you collected my money forward or back that you took it. What are you trying to say? Eh?
Talk. She used to talk very loud in the house. It's the only bit thing you know how to talk. Talk to your landlady in a language she can understand.
Landlady, you know what? Because of the delay, I will pay demurrage. In that way, you will understand that I am working so hard for it.
Dumigini. It's not Dugini. You've not paid the initial sum and now call him Dumo. Are you stupid or what?
You're speaking English.
Jokuya.
No, you're speaking English for landlady. Eh? Does a poor man speak English? You want landlady to increase the house rent. Why are you doing like this? Something that you can't believe in.
How did you even marry this man? Eh?
Oh, what is that? You cannot use normal clear terms and just say, clear landlady some kind things. This people do more. Okay, if she vex now, go increase house rent. You go fit pay. Landlady, I beg, no vex, I beg.
Even his face is frightening. There's nothing he will speak that I can understand. As long as he's sitting right in front. Why did you even marry him? Did you not see handsome men out there?
No be so you be before.
Look at the face now. No be accident in your for face. Still you go marry her.
Landlady, no vex. I go chest am. I beg, no vex. Let me run you transfer.
Make we run you transfer.
My friend, shut up. You still have that my account number?
Hey, which one? Is it the first bank or digit?
DG one. See knows. Like person where the papa now bought taba.
Landlady, I beg check whether I don't enter.
It don't enter. You even put Jara for me. Now a bottle of stout this night.
We don't run out.
I say shut up. You don't run out. Woman rapper. You just follow woman bottom to bottom. You feel them nose.
See my wife.
Don't touch him. See the bad hand. Why do you even allow him to touch you? Eh? Una de. Make I no even ask you questions.
No vex. Make we go now. You don't collect. Make we go.
I thank you myself.
But you did not read.
I did.
You did not. The questions were simple.
Madam, I took notebook. So, where are you traveling to for vacation?
Hey girl, so I was sent out of the school hall, examination hall because of you, bitch. I will so mess you up in the school.
I didn't ask you not to read.
Yes, not to.
How dare you!
You slapped
Are you
me.
sick?
How dare you slap her?
Don't make her change her food. Come on, leave my clothes.
Change wetin.
So because you think you are a cultist, you can just walk up to us and slap her. Are you okay?
See this one now.
What you want to change matter for?
I'm reporting you to Dr. David.
Who is this
You are
one?
leaving this school, Ken.
For real?
Yes.
Let's watch and see.
You leave this school.
Let's see then.
Don't worry.
Hand it on this school.
Hey. Let me tell you. Listen to me now. The next time you try such rubbish with me, I swear to God, I'm gonna end your life in this
Off yourself!
idiot. I'll mess you up. See you this bitch, I'll mess you up in this school. Just wait and see.
Mr. Ken,
Dr. David.
so you have the effrontery to slap a fellow student. Why?
She was proving stubborn. She even get bad mouth to insult me. That was why I slapped her.
Hey, liar! You're a big liar.
Oh, even in my front. Let me understand something. Does your father beat your mom in the house? Why will he slap a student like you in school?
Sade, what has my family has to do with this now? Why will you bring my family to this issue? I don't like it though.
Okay, so you go and call security for run.
Dr. Dave, before you talk another one's family, make sure your own is perfect though.
Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I believe in me, you check it the way of my greediness is the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a book. Because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share. Why can't you build yourself? What are you looking for outside you? Why can't you control your emotion? Cause you are born with the seed of success and happiness inside you. Why can't you build yourself?
Yes. What are you doing here? Get out! Get out! Come on, get out from here! Get out from here! Nonsense.
Whatever you say, you share it. Whatever Your choice and action matter so much in your life.
Madam, how may I help you?
I'm sorry, you can help me, but at least let me come in. I am Mrs. Mokwe, Adobe's mom.
Okay, please. Come.
Thank you.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. Ever since she lost her father, Adobe became depressed and lonely. She lost the zeal to move on in life until she met you and you became her mentor. Your teachings gave her the hope, confidence, and courage to move on. For the past 5 days, Adobe has not eaten. She has been crying. She doesn't talk to anyone. And she has not slept. Oh, please. So, and I'm bothered as her mother.
I am so sorry about this whole thing. I'm so sorry, please.
Thank you.
I don't know what to say. I'm sorry for causing you this grief. So sorry, please. Where is she?
She's at the car park.
Can you call her?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, please.
Thank you.
Okay, better. Let's just go down.
Okay.
See.
Better.
I know she. Let's go see. I'm sorry.
Agatin, good morning, sir.
Hey, Bobo, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Honorable sir, make I give you this month 500,000.
500,000? No, it's supposed to be 1.5 million naira. As a matter of fact, I delivered my word.
He said after swearing in, he will balance you.
Okay, it's fine, it's fine. You can go, eh?
What is the money for?
It's none of your business as a matter.
This one is my business. What is it for?
Anyways, you know I told you I will shock you.
This has nothing to do with shocking me. Eh?
You know what? Take this while I go and put this one in the bank.
Bank kwa. Because tell me the name of the hotel you are going to let me supply more runs, girl. Nah, Karam bullshit. What is that?
Asaba woman, I will see you later, eh?
Asaba man. Chalu, come back. How much are you even giving me? Eh? How much is this money now? Why are you doing like that? So you mean an envelope full of money? This is all that you can give to your wife?
I don't have time for this drama, eh? Let me go and put this one in the bank.
Bank? Mbano, it is bar you are going to, not bank. Because if it is the bank that I know, you do not know the definition of bank. What is this one, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, this man is very wicked. You're a very wicked man. Eh? Money that I have seen with my 2 eyes. This is what this man is giving me. No, is this not sheer wickedness? Don't worry, you'll come and meet me. Hey, oh my God. Don't worry. Is it not me and you?
So I won't be around for 4 days. I already told you that. But Auntie Rose here will take good care of you. She'll buy you lots of ice cream and lots of chocolates. Be a good girl when you're with her, okay? Okay.
Ma, what about the money you said you give me?
Yeah, it's 10,000 naira. That's enough to give you people too much fun.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, Ma.
Let's go to the car so you can be on your way. Let's go.
Whatever you say, you share it. Whatever you say, you share it.
So, I'm all yours now, baby. All yours.
Look at you.
Kelly, don't stop loving me. Don't ever stop.
You know I will not stop loving you.
Because you shouldn't.
Come on here.
All right. I know you can't wait.
I've missed you so much.
I know.
Look at you.
What's mama?
Look at the time a married woman is coming back to her house. Are you not tired of this life? Or have you no shame?
What did you talk, sir? Now English you talk. So of all things to be in this life, it is my monitoring spirit that you have decided to be. It still fits you, Sha. After all, monitoring spirit they talk black, so it fits you. After spending all your money on women outside, you now decide to sit home and become my monitoring spirit. You remember when I tell you say the money go finish? Money they finish now. Money where they no invest, now finish. You don't finish, Abi? No, you don't finish, Abi? For your mind, it is I the Columbi for outside, Abi. My name is Gina. I get dignity. I be woman. I get value for myself. You hear me?
Let me disappoint you. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Here.
I beg.
And now, wait a second. What are you saying? So,
I don't want to see.
You won't think I've been going around fornicating with girls. I am not a fool. Okay? Listen, this will be the first and last time you will come back home this late. 8 p.m., close that so-called shop of yours. You heard me. Do not tempt me. I repeat, do not tempt me because you wouldn't like the outcome.
Hey! Something is cooking in this house. Huh? Hey! Husband man! I die wake. What are you saying? It's beer, I should close my shop. So you even know it's my shop, I wait. Man. God. It's okay. You see, they say he who pays the piper, he takes the tune. So since you now have money and are willing to control me, you remember the 400,000 naira I gave to landlady for house rent on your behalf 6 months ago. And you know that since that time, I've been the one feeding you and myself, clothing you and myself, buying medicine, recharge card for you and myself, everything. So Biko, give me the money and some extra as wife wey try. Nah, I try. Give me kudos.
Listen, it's fine. I am not ready for all this drama because I want the best for us.
That's all you but give me money so that when you're controlling me, I will know that it is a man that is controlling me. You see, there's a way you will give me this my money. If you are shouting, I'll be fanning you and be saying, shout no more, my husband. He's not the one that you'll be shouting and you'll be giving me headache on top of the suffering that I've been suffering. Okay, Didi? Give me my money because...
Oh, is this what you want? Oh, may I remind you that I paid for your school fees for 4 years. Took care of your clothing, your feeding, and while your mother was on her sickbed for 2 years, I took care of the hospital bills. And when she eventually passed on, your family members couldn't take care of her funeral, and she was there in the morgue, I took care of the funeral. While your uncles were busy struggling for properties, which you don't even know the outcome. Your brothers are graduates today, are courtesy of me, and none of you could come back to say thank you. Let me tell you, for how many years you've been married to me, you have neither conceived or even became pregnant. Let me tell you, this will be the first and last time I will hear or see you sleeping around. Okay? Don't try this tomorrow.
You don't talk finish, Abi. If say na speaker, you'll be. Today, they fought up your salary. But unfortunately, na video game na in dey play. So no additional salary for you. But you see this handwriting where they carry come like this. As not like this, you won't make it be. It go red for this house. It go red for this house. It don't red finish. Because you feel that you have money now so you can afford to say any rubbish that comes out from your mouth to me.
I do not have time.
How you did this, how you did that.
Drama of yours. Continue saying your...
You did this, you did that. Okay, you did it for a purpose, man. You did it for a freaking purpose. The brain you follow buy for the school for me. They sell brain for there. They sell energy for there. They sell hard work for there. All the suffer I suffer for this your house. You never do. How many graduates can afford to put food on their table? And even the table of the so-called man that married them. What is it? You think I'm a layabout? You think I go on the street sleeping with men? Every freaking day, I work my ass out to feed you, clothe you, and make life better for you. You took care of my sick mother on her sick bed until she died. So, yeah, you see this thing where you want me to play like this, eh? You go red for this house, oh. You go red, oh my guy.
Oh. So, our bedroom now became your bar.
You know what? Just go. David, go. Go back to wherever it is you're coming from because this house had peace before you came back.
Really?
Go!
Really?
Yes.
You know, Diane, Diane, you're really tempting me, boy, you won't succeed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a call to your brother and tell him that you want to destroy this marriage.
Me?
Yes.
Tempting you? Yes. Me, Diana, tempting you? Don't push me, David. Don't. You know, very soon, your personal assistant, Adobe, will begin to do the cooking for you.
You know what?
What?